Hello everyone and welcome back to the course. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about some interesting and remarkable properties that the average rate of change and the rate of change have. The first one to consider is the concept of monotony, meaning determining if a function is increasing or decreasing in a given interval. Let us start with the rate of change of a function. Remember that the rate of change of a function represents the tangent line of the function at a given point. Now, if the rate of change of a function in a given interval is positive, then the function is increasing in that interval. Otherwise, meaning the rate of change of the function is negative in that interval, then the function is decreasing. Now, if we want to relate the concept of monotony with the average rate of change, we have to remember that the average rate of change of a function represents the slope of the secant line in a given interval. But the idea is pretty much the same. If we have an interval AB and the average rate of change in that interval is positive, then the function is increasing. But if the average rate of change is negative, then the function is decreasing in that interval. Now, for being more precise with the average rate of change, that interval has to be very tiny. And another concept that we can relate with the concept of rate of change and average rate of change are the concepts of concavity. Now, we say that a function is concave up in a given interval if the rate of change of that function is always increasing in that interval. If the rate of change, meaning the tangent line, is decreasing in that interval, then the function is concave down. Now is your time to put your knowledge into practice by solving the following problems. And as always, see you in the next lesson.